Good afternoon, guys. This is Dylan here from Mad Vapes here in Statesville. I'm going over a product today. I'm going to be reviewing the Vaporesso Revenger Mini Kit. These guys are really nice. They're pretty small, compact. They go all the way up to 85 watts. They build down as low as a 0.05. Let's open up this box. In this box, you have your charger with your instruction manual. They've got 3 different languages in it. I recommend the one with English so you guys can read it. They do have Spanish, and I believe they have Chinese or Japanese. I'm not entirely sure. I hope I didn't offend anybody. But in this box, you have, on the other side, you do have your device. You have your tank. This is a NRG SE tank. It holds 3.5 mils of juice, so nothing too fancy. Still holds a decent amount of juice, but it is top fill. It's bottom adjustable airflow. It comes with a GT4 2-chambered coil going all the way up to 70 watts. It's best right around 55 to 60. It also comes with a 0.5 ceramic coil, also included in the box. It's a single chamber. The flavor on the ceramic coils are really good. They're good all the way up to 35 watts. But this kit also includes a replacement glass with extra seals, just in case you break a glass and by chance cut one of the tank seals, you have an extra set. These devices are really simple to use. Let's not mess up this box. Close it right. These devices are really simple to use. They're 5 clicks on, and it's got a nice little cool design on the back of it. Your device is always going to ask you when you put a tank on, is it a new coil or an old coil? You always want to hit new. And to get into your settings menu, you've got this middle button right here. You punch 3 times. It's going to go in. It's going to say mode menu. You've got number 1 being variable wattage high, normal, and soft. So it's ramp. I recommend if you're just starting out, just leave it on normal for the time being. But you also have the option of running CCW, which is complete control wattage, to where you're able to control the half-second intervals of each hit of every second that you take. So if you want the first half second to hit at 80 watts at the max, you can, and then if you want the second half second to drop down to, let's say, 35, 40 watts, so you don't burn out a coil, you can do so. And you can do that all the way up to 5 seconds. So this guy is pretty nice. And then you have VT, which is going to be your Vaporesso temperature controlled mode. You've got stainless steel, nichrome, titanium, and then you've got TCR, which is going to be your memory mode. You're able to set certain wattages for your memory to where you go up or down. It changes dramatically to the next wattage that you have stored in your memory mode. And then you've got bypass, which is going to just run max power to your coil. It's going to adjust to the appropriate wattage on your device. So that's also another option. You go into your system settings. You've got time set. This guy actually comes with a clock. It's really cool. And then you've got your brightness to where you can adjust your brightness. You've got your puff counter, which you can limit your puffs. You can reset your puffs, see how many puffs you're getting out of each and every coil that you buy. That way you're saving money and getting everything out of the coils that you buy. You've got your screen timeout, which is just how long your display is going to stay on your screen before it just shuts off. The device isn't going to cut all the way off unless you manually cut it off. And then you've got light. You've got different options as far as lights go. You've got the light on and off. You've got a red bright. You've got can you guys see that? A red breathing, so it's going to flash the red at you. You've got a green bright. You've got a green breathing. You've got a blue breathing. Then it just kind of flashes all the lights. And then you have a custom to where you can go in. You can select a color. You can go to mode and have it flash, or have it kind of like breathing to where it goes bright and then dim. Or you could just turn it off. Simple as that. And you can change it on here to where it starts up. And all of that good stuff. But overall, these are really nice devices. You guys should come down and check them out. We've got a couple different colors in them. Vaporesso has a really good mod. 80 watts, builds down as low as a 0.05, 2500 mAh battery life. These guys are really nice. You guys should come down and check them out. And thanks for watching our reviews. And we hope to see some of you guys out.